Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna be fidgeting with my friend.
Hi.
We're gonna put up something that we like. I like this big monkey noodle.
I like.
And it's my turn to put up something, and I have to say offer or not.
This wacky bag.
Add.
Sorry, but I have to decline.
What will you give me for this?
Give you this.
Yes. Yes, I get a fish.
It's, Among Us.
Okay, I'll give you this magnetics. This.
Take away that.
And I'll give you all this for the Timble Dimple. She said no. Like for part 2, maybe, I don't know, maybe.